pangalawang lawyer na nagsasabi na merong batas at lumabag si Marcoleta doon sa ginawa niya.
And it's right there in the law you swore to follow as a lawyer. Under the Omnibus Election Code, every candidate must file a full, true, and itemized statement of contributions and expenditures sworn under oath.
Ako, Marcoleta, basta pag topic si Manlilin lang na Marcoleta, walang tiwala. No, ako member ng Iglesia ni Manalo, sabi ni Tony, Sir Tony.
Ibig sabihin, kailangan nakasulat ang amount ng contribution, petsa kung kailan natanggap ito, at buong pangalan at address ng nag-donate. At kung
Marcoleta, mukhang matatanggal ka at mukhang makukulong ka pa.
hindi pa sapat yon, Section 98 of the Omnibus Election Code clearly says, no person shall make any contribution in any name except his own, nor shall any candidate record the same in any name other than that of the person by whom it was actually made. In short, bawal ang anonymous donors.
Naku po, Marcoleta, anak ng tinapa. Bukod sa hindi mo sinulat, ito, bawal pa din yung anonymous donor. Naku, Marcoleta, papanoorin ka namin sa Net25. Alam ko, magsasalita ka dyan. Ha? Alam ko, diyan ka iiyak sa Net25 kasama yung dalawang kausap mo lagi dyan. Sabi ni Ma'am Neng Gigi, si Marcoleta palaging absent nun. Nag-aral ng lawyer, kulang sa kaalaman bilang lawyer. Hindi, si Marcoleta parang nagiging style na walang pakialam. Basta sasabihin ko, ito yung sasabihin ko. No, kahit alam ko na meron namang ganyan, sasabihin ko pa din. No, maipagtanggol lang yung kanya sarili.
What Marcoleta committed is an election offense. Pwede siyang makulong ng 1 to 6 years.
Oops! Wag na 1. Baka pwedeng 6.
Perjury. In other words, Marcoleta, by his own admission, is criminally liable.
Yes, rinig na rinig nating lahat yan. Doon po sa Net25. Ano?